Fire up the vacuum tubes, turn the lights down low, and welcome into Tundra FM. I am Brick Lombardi, and we are starting things off in the deep end today. If you missed Packernet After Dark last night, you missed our collective descent into the digital simulation. We are talking about the ultimate cover hex. You sign the dotted line, you smile for the corporate cameras, and the next thing you know, the algorithmic abyss swallows your hamstrings whole. Pull your pants up, folks. It is a glitchy universe out there. This is Madden Curse Butt Crack on Tundra FM.
They put you on the cover, now you're in the crack.
Yeah, glitch it out, I think I will be.
They put you on the cover, now you're in the crack.
Yeah.
Yeah, glitch it out.
Flash bulbs pop, smiling for the EA Sports. Next week, you're limping off the digital courts. A 99 rating, but your hamstring snap fell right down into the algorithmic gap. It's the cover boy hex, the pixelated doom. Sweatpants slipping in the recovery room.
Wait for it. The polygons break, the system explodes.
Caught in the Madden curse, butt crack. No way back for the ACL throughout the lower back.
Out of bounds.
Glitching through the turf, falling off the map. Welcome to the bottom of the digital trap. They scanned your face, mapped out your stride. Now you're on the IR with your pride cast aside. Ratings adjusting, the sliders go down. From the king of the league to the joke of the town. Pants sagging low under the weight of the hex. Wondering which superstar is gonna be next.
He's broken down. Broken down. Reset the console, blow into the cartridge. It doesn't matter.
Caught in the Madden curse, butt crack. No way back. For the ACL throughout the lower back.
Out of bounds.
Glitching through the turf, falling off the map. Welcome to the bottom of the digital trap. Game over. Tuck your shirt in.
Game over. Tuck your shirt in.
Game over.
The draft is not a measurement. It is an indictment. You stare at the board, waiting for the phone to ring, and the silence tells you everything you need to know about what they think you are worth. I am Brick Lombardi, and tonight on Tundra FM, we are looking at the mechanics of the snub. We are talking about the kind of cold, calculated erasure that builds a specific kind of athlete, the kind of player who doesn't just want to win, he wants to prove the error in the algorithm. Sometimes being told no is the only fuel that burns hot enough to melt the armor. This is Denied on Tundra FM.
They named me twice. Both times denied.
Condensed in the visor, didn't need dirt 4 years of the riser. Behind chop, behind cutter, watch the fire. Patience is the prophet, I waited for the hour. 2 hands on the punch, I stand like a tower. 6'5" and change with a cut that won't slow her. Backfield is a seance, I summon and devour.
Denied. Three blocks on special teams, points evaporated. 17 sacks in 2 years, the page narrated. 25 tackles for loss, I subtract the gradient. Quarterback's prayer book, pages redacted.
Bull rush, no thesis, I after the contact. Tackle and retreat, I walk through his contract. Penn State 6 star, time engraved in the abstract. Built in a lab, in the lab, it's a casket.
With the real spin the name, watch the ball I'll go cold every gate I touch. Every gate gets closed. 4 rounds of doubt, they'll cost what they're owed. Denied. Every snap, every step, every stride. Denied. Every prayer in the pocket gets fried. Lights cut, whistle blown, end of ride. They asked my name and the answer was denied. Denied. The curtain, I'm the curtain that descends. Chop blade, the carpet, I'm the carpet's other end. Denied, denied. Millsboro mortician, every casket gets sealed. 3 kicks in the air, still hanging in the field.
Pull up to the pocket, no rush, just arrive. Tackles on the string and I'm pulling the line. Quarterbacks the same field, the same kids archive. 98 percentile in the 3-cone climb. Heavy footed to the scouts, heavy handed replied. Every doubt in the file is a fossil now dried. Gary went to Dallas, I just walked outside.
Margins mending tendons, I'm the bridge to the tide. Every snap, every step, every stride. Denied. Every prayer in the pocket get fried. Lights cut, whistle blown, end of ride. They asked my name and the answer was
They will try to tell you the elements do not matter anymore. They say the modern game has evolved past the frozen mud, the ice-caked face masks, and the bitter wind coming off the lake. But the ghosts hanging above the 50-yard line know the truth. Winter is not just a season up here. It is an initiation. You don't just play in it, you survive it. Because the cold doesn't forgive, and the cold never forgets who stood tall when the wind started screaming. Pull your coat tight. We are holding the line. This is Cold Remembers on Tundra FM.
Neon ghosts above the 50 cold cathedral on the lake. Every banner hanging heavy, every name a debt will take. 12 still lows, the rafters cold, 4 still lows, the wind. Built for what comes after. We don't kneel, we don't bend.
Yeah, cold remembers, cold rewards. Faithful gather behind these doors.
Slide down.
Neon tundra, rise again. Frozen kingdom, frozen men. Neon tundra, hold the line. We are the storm, we are the flame.
Love still standing in the pocket, Jacob's grinding through the snow. Parsons hunting in the shadow, craft a hammer in the cold. Cooper screaming through the second, golden burning down the seam. We don't beg and we don't reckon, the green stays gold.
We come back colder. We come back to live. Neon tundra, 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 rise again. Frozen kingdom, 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 frozen men. Neon tundra, 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 hold the line. We are the storm, we are the flame. Tundra.
We all love the highlight reel. We all wait for number one to pin his ears back, drift off the line, and wreck the opponent's game plan. But what happens when the other side decides to double the edge? What happens when they scheme your best man out of the equation? Winter football isn't always about the spectacular. It is about the baseline. When the front line bends and the flashy plays dry up, you find out exactly who you are. You need the grinders. You need a heartbeat that doesn't skip when the road gets heavy. Let's slow it down and dig our feet into the dirt. This is Our Steady on Tundra FM.
They know his rush by name. They read his moves too well. When it drifts off the line, who's gonna save ourselves? Cold wind, frozen bay, we lean on number 11's back. But you can't win it all riding on a single track. And the front line bends, they don't step back, they double the edge. We lose our track. If he loses his grip, we let it go. We need a name that the winner knows. We need our truth and our steady, a hand when the road gets heavy. We need our truth and our steady, 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 steady. When the game runs wild, we slow it down. We dig our feet still choose. No flashy play, no perfect plan, just a quiet yes and an open hand. We need our truth and our steady, our hand when the road gets heavy. We need our truth and our steady, 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 steady. When the game runs wild, we slow it down. We dig our feet in the frozen ground. We slow it down. Dig our feet.
The fire is burning down to the embers, and the tape is finally running out. That is going to do it for us tonight down here in the bunker. Whether you are breaking down the film, holding the line, or just trying to survive the freeze, keep your head up and your cleats in the dirt. The elements don't sleep, and neither does the grind. We will be back to do it all again. I am Brick Lombardi. Keep the dial locked. Good night from Tundra FM.